Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, currently ranked at 141. I would be giving you all the latest analysis and price predictions right here for YFI, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Right, so without further ado, let us move to the charts. Right, we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. Right, and one of the things we love to do on the channel right before we start any analysis is to draw all our support and resistance levels, and we have drawn that. And as you can see, the price of YFI right here from the 20th of June, we began to see the EMAs flip right green or bullish, right, which means we should be expecting higher price targets. And since then we have seen the price of YFI push right 25% to the upsides, right, and so we are up 25%. Congratulations to everyone who has been following the channel, but we have been in this range right here for YFI. We actually said that if prices are above this 200 EMA, right, we said we are still bullish on YFI, right, because prices are above this 200 EMA, and currently we are even still seeing prices above this 80 to 20 EMA, which means YFI is very bullish at the moment, right? If we take a peek into the volume profile, right, so this is the volume profile right here for YFI. Right, one of the things we could see is that there is more bullish price action than bearish price action, right? So the red signifies the bears, the yellow signifies basically just traders, right, the in and out sharp, and the blue or the green signifies the bulls. And as you can see, we are having even more bullish price action on YFI. YFI showing lots and lots of strength as compared to all the coins, right? So YFI is very bullish at the moment. As you can see, we are having more bullish price action than bearish price action, and on the chart we are still above the 200 EMA, which means the trend is still up and we should still be expecting higher price targets. So that's it for YFI, right? In the medium to short term, we could see prices right here at the $7,300 level, which would be a push of about minimum 5% to the upside. So that's what we should be expecting for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe, as we will be giving you daily updates on YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed